Periweather is the leading lightning detection and weather alerting platform built specifically for the unique challenges of modern parks, recreation, and city management. As a parks director or facilities manager, you know that keeping programs running while ensuring public safety is a constant struggle when the clouds roll in. Periweather solves this by delivering instant location-specific lightning alerts via mobile notifications, email, SMS, and outdoor warning sirens. We significantly reduce the time your staff spends monitoring the weather, ensuring the safety of every attendee at any location. Let's see what Periweather offers your team. This is the main dashboard. This is where you will monitor current conditions across the city and identify risks to your facilities. If you manage multiple locations, like a community pool, a public park, and a splash pad, you can easily switch views to see the exact conditions at each specific site. Notice the lightning status. This communicates exactly how far the nearest lightning strike is from your location. It also tracks the precise duration of a weather delay, removing the guesswork of when it's safe to reopen the fields. Periweather utilizes the National Lightning Detection Network, or NLDN, the most accurate detection network in the United States. This gives you the data-driven confidence that you aren't clearing the public pools too early, or more importantly, too late. The real power of Periweather is that you don't have to stare at a dashboard to keep people safe. When lightning strikes within your predefined safety radius, for example, 10 miles, the system takes immediate action. A countdown timer automatically starts on your dashboard, and your outdoor warning system activates instantly. You can even customize the broadcasted message.
Lightning has been detected in the surrounding area. Please seek shelter indoors.
This physical unit combines a high decibel siren and visible strobe lights that can be heard from up to 1,200 feet away. Imagine a busy Saturday with hundreds of people at a sports complex. The moment a strike is detected, the siren sounds, alerting every referee, parent, and groundskeeper to seek shelter. You don't need a staff member to press a button or check their phone. The system handles the warning for you. The policy page is where we transform your city's safety protocols into automated, actionable alerts. If your department requires a seek shelter order when lightning strikes within 6 miles, the system triggers those on-site sirens and strobes automatically. Simultaneously, the platform sends instant email, text, and mobile notifications to your supervisors and staff. Periweather also allows you to create policies for various conditions, including precipitation, wind, and National Weather Service alerts. These function just like lightning alerts. Once a threshold is hit, notifications are sent immediately. You can also tailor these alerts so specific teams, like your aquatic staff, receive only the notifications relevant to their locations and tasks. Now, sometimes the radar doesn't tell the whole story, especially when outdoor community events are on the line. In those moments, you have direct access to degreed meteorologists on call to provide expert guidance tailored to your location. With an average response time of just 9 minutes, you can make critical decisions quickly, reducing the time waiting to see if a storm will actually hit. Because Periweather is your single source of truth, we make it easy to justify weather-related closures. If a tournament organizer or resident asks why a game was halted or why the pools remained closed, you can pull a policy activity report. This shows exactly when the lightning rule was triggered, the duration of the event, and the precise moment the all clear was issued. You no longer have to rely on anecdotal staff reports. You have the hard data to prove your safety decisions were correct. You can even automate these reports to be sent every Monday morning to keep management informed on how weather impacted weekend operations. Finally, our widgets bring real-time awareness to the front lines. You can host live weather data, radar, and safety status updates on large monitors at recreation centers, pool check-in desks, or park kiosks. This keeps the public informed at a glance, significantly reducing the administrative load on your managers and allowing staff to focus on serving the community, rather than answering a bunch of questions about the weather. It's time to modernize your field operations and eliminate the uncertainty that puts park attendees at risk. Sign up for a free 14-day trial today and see how Periweather can protect your parks and your people.